ॐ वासुदेवं रमाकान्तं नत्वा लौगाक्षि भास्करः गुरुते जैमिनिनये प्रवेशायार्थसङ्ग्रहम् अपौरुषेयं वाक्यं वेदः सच विधि मंत्र नामधेय निषेध अर्थवाद भेदात पंचविधः. We saw this. Then there was one anumanam. Ishvara, how Veda is apaurushaya. This will be discussed in detail in Vedanta Paribhasha. Here, one anumanam is given. Ishvara does not get the knowledge first and then he creates Veda. It is not like that. When you gain knowledge, for example, Mahabharata. Mahabharata is Paurusheya or Apaurusheya? Paurusheya.
Paurusheya.
Because it is not. Apaurusheya means, see, Paurusheya means Purusha Buddhi Krita. So if something I gather in my buddhi through Pratyakshadi Pramana or whatever, then I write something, then it will become Paurusheya. Veda is not like that. Veda is Apaurusheya. So you see the Anumanam now. Veda Adhyanam Guru Adhyana Purvakam Vedadhyanatvat Vartamana Veda Adhyanavat. What is the Vyapti? What is the Vyapti? Yatra yatra
Veda Adhyatvam.
Vedadhyanatvam Adhyana Purvakatvam. So if it is Veda Adhyanam, it is always Guru Adhyana Purvakam. Guru Adhyana Purvakam means Purvam Guru Adhyanam. Tat Paschat Chhatrasya Adhyanam. Right? This is how you learn Veda. Guru will recite, then Shishya twice. So they will repeat. In this way they learn. Guru Adhyana Purvakatva. How, what is the Drishtanta? Vartaman Veda Adhyanavat. Vartaman Veda Adhyanam is like this. Therefore, Purvam also, earlier also, Veda Adhyanam was in this way only. So, Ishvara is not Veda Karta, Veda Rachayita. Ishvara is not. And therefore, how we understand that in this Kalpa, if Paramatma has given the Vedas, he remembered it from Purva Kalpa. In Purva Kalpa, whatever Veda Rashi was there, he just recollects and gives it. He doesn't create. Main idea is this. Therefore, Veda is Apaurushaya. Now, Vidhi Mimamsa. Tatra Ajnata Artha Jnapako Veda Bhago Vidhi. What is Vidhi? It is said Ajnata Artha Jnapakatvam should be there. What is not known, that is revealed by that portion of Veda, then that portion of Veda is called Vidhi Bhaga. That Veda Bhaga is Vidhi. In Vidhi, there are different Vidhis. Utpatti Vidhi, Prayoga Vidhi, etc. So he gives examples now. सच तादृश प्रयोजनवत् अर्थ विधानेन अर्थवान यादृशं च अर्थं प्रमाणांतरेण अप्राप्तं विधत्ते. Such sa means vidhi. Vidhi is pullinga. Such a vidhi tadrisha prayojanavat artha vidhanena arthavan. Because what is Veda? What is Dharma, if you remember earlier? Veda Pratipadya Prayojanavat. Prayojana should be there. Correct. Prayojanavat Artho Dharma. So here, Tadrisha Prayojanavat Artha. These words are same there from the definition of Dharma. Tadrisha Prayojanavat Artha Vidhanena Arthavan. What is that Arthavat? Yadrisham cha artham pramanantarena apraptam vidhate. So that portion which is not known through other pramana. Other pramana does not mean only pratyakshadi. Other pramana can mean other part of Veda also. This we have to understand. In Veda, if there is a vakya, Agnihotram Juhuyat. Later, if another vakya comes, Dadhana Juhuyat. So the homa that you have to do for Swarga, Agnihotram Juhuyat is Pramanam. In Dadhana Juhuyat, Swarga Kamaha, let us say, Juhuyat and Swarga Kama is already known. So that Vakya, in that, it is not Pramanam. Only the means, Sadhana, Dadhana, only in that much part, it is Pramana. Why? Because the other portion is Pramanantarena Praptam. Right? So what is the vidhi here? Pramanantarena apraptam vidhatte. Only then it is pramanam. So pramanantar does not mean pratyaksha, anumana, etc. Another Veda Vakya has already said this. So this Veda Vakya is only anuvada of what was said earlier. Vidhatte, what is the dhatu? What is the dhatu? Vidhatte.
With dhatu.
Dudhaye dhatu. Dharana poshana yoho. What is the Rupam, Atmanepada? How the Rupam will go? Dhatte. प्रथम पुरुष एक वचन में धाते. धत्ते दधाते दधते. That's how it will go. Correct? अच्छा, ज्ञापक. ज्ञापक धातु is ज्ञा. Then for pa puk agama is there. For that there is a sutra. So see, ज्ञा धातु णिच प्रत्यय is there. ज्ञा धातु and णिच प्रत्यय. In that ज्ञा धातु, and there are some other dhatus. Arti, Hri, Vli, Ri, Knu, Yik, Shmai, Yatam, Ugnau. This is the sutra. Arti, Hri, Kli, Ri, Knui, Shma. And all Akaranta dhatu. Yatam, Atam is there. So Arti, Hri, Kli, Arti, Hri, Vli, Ri, Knui, Shmi means Shma, Atam. So Shmya Yatam, Uk Agama will come. Then in that it is Nijanta, that Ana will drop through Ner Niti. So Jnapaka Shabda, this Shabda comes many times. Jnapaka, because Sutra number 7336, first Sutra 7336. And Neraniti 6451. Because in Pramana also, Ajnata Jnapakatvam, Jnapaka Shabda will keep coming many times. So it's good to know how this Shabda is formed. Vidhatte means it does Vidhanam. Vidhatte means a Vidhanam is done. That portion is where it is Vidhi Vakya. Remember, we are in Brahadaranyaka, we are discussing this Prana Upasana Vidhi. Later also, in Vidya Sutra 147, Atmetyavopasita, is it a Vidhi or not? Atmavare Drashtavyaha, in that there is Vidhi or not? This discussion will come. So, certain things, how Purva Pakshi looks at and how we look at, we have to know. This is how they will look at it. So they will say, here there is Vidhi, there is Vidhanam. And there is a shloka also in that, when does which Vidhi come? Apurva Vidhi, Niyama Vidhi, Parisankhya Vidhi. What is the shloka? So this also that you have to know. Don't come to class just to see how everything is, whether Acharya is present or not. Means come prepared. Yatha, see further. Agnihotram juhuyat swarga kama iti. This is a vidhi. Agnihotram juhuyat swarga kama. Juhuyat. What is the dhatu? Who? Who is the dhatu? Who? So here, who is in two artha. Adane, prinane. Cha. Adanam means to take. But here Juhoyat is not in Adana artha. Prinana artha. Prinana means to please someone. So here it is to please Devatas in that way. The way you offer, it is to please Devatas. It is for Devatas. Juhuyat Swarga Kama iti vidhihi manantarena apraptam. No other praman tells me that a desirer of Swarga should do Agnihotram. It is known only through this Veda Vakya. Vidhihi manantarena apraptam Swarga prayojanavat homam vidhatte. In this Vakya, यथा अग्निहोत्रम जुहुयात स्वर्ग काम इति विधिर मानांतरेणा प्राप्तम स्वर्ग प्रयोजनवद होमम विदत्ते. In this Vakya, what is the Kriya Pada? Correct. Vidatte is the Kriya Pada. Who is the Karta? Who is the Karta? Online.
Swarga Kama.
स्वर्ग प्रयोजनवत् स्वर्ग प्रयोजनवान.
In that Vakya, there is no Swarga.
Agnihotri.
Agnihotri, there is no Agnihotri. Vidhihi. Vidhihi is Karta. Vidhi vidhate. Vidhi is doing vidhanam. समझ में आया? विधि विधत्ते एंड विधत्ते किम?
अग्निहोत्र
इन दिस वाक्य वेर इज अग्निहोत्रम. अग्निहोत्रम जुहुया स्वर्ग काम इज ए विधि. विधि इज कर्ता. कर्म विल बी, what will be the karma? Homam. Vidhi homam vidhate. See, when there is a big vakya, we should know how to make it small. Vidhi is doing vidhanam of homa. Which kind of homa? Swarga prayojanavat homa. Homa which has swarga as its prayojanam. Vidhate. Agnihotra homena swargam bhavayet iti vakyartha bodha. So this vakya means Agnihotra homena swargam bhavayet. Through Agnihotra homa, one should desire to acquire or attain swargam. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.